Linux Mint 23 Nova has arrived. And for many people who have spent years bouncing between operating systems, this release feels less like an update and more like a turning point. For decades, desktop computing has been dominated by one name, with alternatives existing on the edges, interesting, sometimes powerful, but rarely compelling enough for the average user to fully switch. That dynamic may finally be shifting, and not in a subtle way. What makes this moment different isn't just that Linux Mint has improved again, it's how complete, polished, and undeniably practical it has become. For the first time, a Linux desktop doesn't feel like a compromise. It feels like a replacement. To understand why Linux Mint 23 Nova is getting this kind of attention, you have to look at the long-standing gap between Linux and mainstream operating systems. Historically, Linux desktops have struggled with consistency, ease of use, and hardware compatibility. Even when performance was strong, there were always small friction points. Missing drivers, confusing interfaces, or software that didn't quite behave the way users expected. Mint has spent years focusing specifically on these issues, quietly refining the experience instead of chasing flashy features. With Nova, that patience pays off in a big way. From the moment you boot into Linux Mint 23, the experience feels intentional. The Cinnamon desktop environment, which Mint has developed into one of the most user-friendly interfaces in the Linux world, now feels smoother and more responsive than ever. Animations are subtle but refined, transitions are fast without feeling abrupt, and everything from the panel to the system settings feels cohesive. There's a sense that nothing is out of place. This might sound like a small thing, but consistency is exactly what has kept many users tied to Windows for so long. Mint finally delivers that same level of reliability in how things look and behave. Performance is another area where Nova makes a strong statement. Even on modest hardware, the system feels light and fast. Applications launch quickly, system updates happen in the background without disrupting your workflow, and memory usage remains impressively low. This is particularly important in a world where not everyone is upgrading to the latest high-end machines. Linux Mint 23 proves that a modern desktop experience doesn't require cutting-edge hardware. In fact, it often runs better on older systems than the operating systems those machines originally shipped with. But performance alone doesn't win over everyday users. Software availability has always been one of the biggest concerns when considering a switch away from Windows. This is where Mint 23 takes a practical approach. Instead of overwhelming users with technical details, it focuses on making software easy to find, install, and manage. The software manager has been refined to feel more like a modern app store with clear categories, ratings, and straightforward installation processes. For most users, getting the apps they need is no longer a challenge. It's just a few clicks. Compatibility, especially with popular applications, has also improved significantly. Through tools like Wine and Proton, many Windows applications and games now run surprisingly well on Linux. While not everything is perfect, the gap has narrowed enough that for a large portion of users, it's no longer a deal breaker. In fact, many people will find that they can do everything they need without ever thinking about compatibility at all. Browsers, office suites, media players, and creative tools are all readily available and often perform just as well, if not better, than their Windows counterparts. One of the most noticeable changes in Linux Mint 23 is how it handles updates and system maintenance. Unlike traditional systems that can interrupt your work with forced updates or lengthy restart processes, Mint gives you control. Updates are clearly categorized, easy to understand, and can be applied when it's convenient for you. This alone addresses one of the most common frustrations users have had with other operating systems. It's a simple idea to respect the user's time, but it makes a huge difference in everyday use. Security is another area where Linux Mint quietly excels. Because of its underlying architecture, Linux systems are inherently more resistant to many common types of malware. Mint builds on this foundation by providing sensible defaults and clear security options without overwhelming the user. You don't need to be an expert to feel confident that your system is safe. At the same time, advanced users still have the flexibility to customize and secure their setup as much as they want. Customization is something that has always set Linux apart, and Mint 23 continues that tradition while making it accessible to everyone. You can tweak almost every aspect of the system, from themes and icons to panel layouts and keyboard shortcuts. But what's important is that you don't have to. Out of the box, the system looks clean and professional. The customization options are there when you want them, not forced upon you. This balance between flexibility and simplicity is one of Mint's greatest strengths. Another area where Linux Mint 23 stands out is stability. This is not a distribution that chases the latest experimental features at the cost of reliability. Instead, it builds on a solid foundation, ensuring that everything works as expected. Crashes are rare, system behavior is predictable, and updates are thoroughly tested before being released. For users who rely on their computers for work or study, this level of dependability is essential. Hardware support has also seen meaningful improvements. From printers to graphics cards, more devices work out of the box than ever before. Driver management is straightforward, and in many cases, the system handles everything automatically. This removes one of the biggest barriers for new users, who might otherwise be intimidated by the idea of manually configuring hardware. What truly sets Linux Mint 23 apart, though, is how it feels to use over time. It's easy to make a good first impression, but maintaining that experience day after day is much harder. Nova succeeds because it doesn't rely on novelty. There are no gimmicks here. No features designed just to grab attention. Instead, it focuses on the fundamentals: speed, stability, usability, and control. These are the things that matter most, and Mint delivers them consistently. For longtime Windows users, the transition to Linux Mint 23 is surprisingly smooth. The layout is familiar enough that you won't feel lost, but modern enough that it doesn't feel outdated. The learning curve is gentle, and most tasks can be accomplished in ways that feel intuitive. Even if you've never used Linux before, Mint makes the experience approachable. This raises an important question: is Windows in trouble? The answer isn't as simple as yes or no. Windows still has a massive user base, deep integration with enterprise environments, and a long history of software support. It's not going anywhere overnight. However, what Linux Mint 23 represents is a credible alternative, something that hasn't always existed in a meaningful way. For many users, especially those who are frustrated with increasing system requirements, forced updates, or privacy concerns, Mint offers a compelling reason to reconsider their choices. It provides a level of control and transparency that is becoming increasingly rare in mainstream operating systems. You decide how your system behaves, not the other way around. There's also a growing community around Linux Mint that continues to contribute to its development and support. This sense of community is something that sets Linux apart from proprietary systems. If you run into an issue, there are forums, guides, and users willing to help. Over time, this creates an ecosystem that feels collaborative rather than restrictive. Another factor to consider is the direction of desktop computing as a whole. With more applications moving to the web and cross-platform technologies becoming more common, the importance of the underlying operating system is changing. As long as your system is fast, secure, and capable of running a modern browser, you can do most of what you need. This shift plays directly to Linux Mint's strengths. Gaming, once considered a major weakness for Linux, is also evolving. With advancements in compatibility layers and increased support from developers, many popular games are now playable on Linux systems. While it may not yet match Windows in every scenario, the progress is undeniable. For casual and even many dedicated gamers, the gap is no longer as wide as it once was. Of course, Linux Mint 23 isn't perfect. There will still be edge cases where specific software doesn't work as expected or certain workflows require adjustments. Some professional applications, particularly in specialized industries, may still be tied to Windows. But these limitations are becoming less significant over time, especially as more alternatives emerge. What's important is that Linux Mint 23 changes the conversation. Instead of asking whether Linux is ready for everyday use, people are starting to ask why they're still using anything else. That's a powerful shift, and it speaks to how far the platform has come. For anyone considering making the switch, the best way to understand Linux Mint 23 is to try it. You can run it from a USB drive without installing it, explore the interface, test your hardware, and see how it feels. This low barrier to entry makes it easy to experiment without committing. And for many users, that first experience is enough to spark a deeper interest. In the end, Linux Mint 23 Nova doesn't just improve on previous versions, it redefines what a Linux desktop can be. It's fast, stable, user-friendly, and genuinely enjoyable to use. It removes many of the traditional barriers that have kept users from switching and presents a clear, compelling alternative to the status quo. Whether or not it will truly disrupt the dominance of Windows remains to be seen. But one thing is certain, the gap has never been smaller. And for the first time in a long time, the idea of leaving Windows behind doesn't feel like a risk. It feels like an opportunity,